Hello everybody. So trust me, this application is very cool because this application allows you to run Android OS inside your Android phone. So basically this is a virtual machine app for Android which runs Android virtually inside your Android phone. So I will put link in the description. You can go there and download it. It is available on Google Play Store. So let me show you how it works and what it does. Okay, so open this application once you have downloaded, and there is one application that I manually downloaded, root checker, just to see if there is a root access in it, but sadly there is no root access. So first of all, the best thing about this application is that there are no ads. Believe it or not, there are a couple of alternatives to this application, but this one is the best one because it has no ads. So once you open this application, just click on start, which will boot Android just like Android boots. Don't worry, your phone is still alive. You can see from here. Okay, so you can see this is my phone that I'm using. So yeah, now you have a Android phone running virtually, and you can do whatever you want with it. You can install applications, you can install games, you can play games, whatever you want to do. So there is a Google Play Store too, so you can just open that up. Let me sign in actually. Okay, I'm signed in. I'm gonna hit accept, and there we have the Google Play Store working inside a virtual machine. Very cool, right? So you can still use your existing phone if you want to. It's like full-fledged Android OS you're running inside your Android phone. So there are many reasons why you want to use this. Maybe you want to test some Android applications, games, or maybe you just want to have a multiple accounts for different games, apps, or whatever you want to do. So yeah, you can use this and download. You can see PUBG Mobile is also supported. Wow, okay. So you can play any game. Actually, I'm just going to download one tiny game. I'm just going to search for racing. Hill climb, right? Yeah. This is the only game that I test every time I make videos because it is small and I can just get into it. So while the game is downloading, I'm going to go to the settings, and you can see these are the settings, just like it's a full Android system that you're running virtually inside your Android phone. So it is running a Android 7.1.1. Okay, our game is ready. I'm just going to run it. Just like that, and then we have the game running. So okay, my phone is flipped, but my recording isn't flipped. So actually, yes, you can play games, and it's very responsive. It's like, wow, unbelievable. Hello. It's like I'm using the main OS in my phone. Wow, it's very responsive. Wow, this machine is very fast. So for some reason you need a virtual Android machine on your Android phone. I mean, this is amazing. Okay, you can have multiple accounts for different games. I know there are dual app applications which clones the application within your Android phone. You don't have to use a virtual Android machine like this one, but if there is a reason that you want something like this, I mean, this is really cool. Yeah, I'm really impressed. It runs so well. Wow. And you can also import your installed applications, or you can also install applications from APK file that you have downloaded on your phone. So yeah, you can also just import whatever app you have installed on your phone to this. And this application is just amazing. Wow. So there is this floating window of this application which has multiple options. We can shut down, hide, multitask, and we can switch in between this virtual machine to our main phone. So I can just click on switch and it will switch to our main OS. And you can also use this in pop-up window. Amazing. This is simply amazing. That's it. I will put link in the description for the download link. You can go there, download it. And yeah, if you have any questions, leave your questions in the comments and I will try to help you out. That's it. I'm going to shut down this. Easy. Just click on shutdown and it will shut down the virtual machine. Easy peasy. That's it. I will see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye bye.